To manage your Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by understanding the basics of a traditional IRA. A traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds in retirement. First, open a Wealthfront traditional IRA account if you haven't already. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that offers low-cost, automated investment management. To get started, go to the Wealthfront website and click on Open an Account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information. Once your account is open, fund your traditional IRA by transferring money from your bank account or rolling over an existing retirement account. Wealthfront allows you to set up automatic transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Next, choose your investment portfolio. Wealthfront offers a range of diversified portfolios, each with a different risk level. You can choose a pre-built portfolio or customize your own. It's essential to consider your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals when selecting a portfolio. After your portfolio is set up, Wealthfront will automatically manage your investments, including reinvesting dividends, rebalancing your portfolio, and tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting is a strategy that involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments, reducing your tax liability. To monitor and adjust your traditional IRA, log into your Wealthfront account regularly. You can view your account balance, investment performance, and portfolio allocation. If your financial situation or goals change, you can adjust your portfolio or contribution amount as needed. Finally, consider consolidating your retirement accounts to make management easier and less expensive. Wealthfront allows you to roll over existing retirement accounts, such as 401(k) or 403(b) plans, into your traditional IRA. By following these steps and taking advantage of Wealthfront's automated investment management, you can effectively manage your traditional IRA and work towards a secure retirement. Remember to review and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals.